Want to talk to two different people today. First, the facility managers, the people who are responsible for other people's property, whether it be property managers, asset managers, true FMs, whatever your role is. If you are responsible for taking care of the assets that somebody else owns, you have opportunities to be able to become invaluable to those individuals. You need to make sure that what you are doing is reporting properly on all of the various assets, that you're giving a clear indication that you have your arms around what is taking place with that facility. When it comes to the roof, keeping track of historical spend, keeping track of open budget items that remain are crucial for being able to show somebody that you are responsible to that you have their best interest in your hands and you are taking the best care of it. To building owners, to real estate owners, to those who own their own properties, it is crucial that you take care of all of your assets, but prioritize them in the order of the most costly assets down to the least costly assets. Not the ones that are the easiest to maintain, but the ones that are the most costly to maintain, such as your roof. Your roof is the one item that can absolutely devastate a budget. When you are not planning for a replacement and it comes up on you and you have to replace it, it can be devastational to any budgets that were already set forth. When it comes time for an acquisition of selling that property, it can literally blow a deal. Make sure that you are taking good care of your roof and having somebody else watching the day-to-day life cycle of that roof in order to make sure that your spend and the money that is going out of your pocket toward your roof is helping you prolong the life of the roof and helping you reduce the overall life cycle repair spend.